Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Martin and Mason Hotel. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi, family rooms, restaurant and a bar. In the heart of downtown Deadwood, this historically restored hotel features guest rooms with antique furniture and period decor. Free Wi-Fi is provided throughout the hotel. Each uniquely decorated room at Martin and Mason Hotel comes equipped with a cable TV. Featuring 12-foot loft ceilings and authentic Victorian furnishings, every room also has a private bathroom. Free scones and coffee are provided in the lobby each morning. Guests can enjoy complimentary passes are provided to a nearby off-site fitness center. Street Station Café on site serves breakfast and lunch every day. Deadwood Mountain Grand Resort and Deadwood's Main Street are less than a 1-minute walk from the hotel. Tatanka Story of Bison is 2 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.